All right, let's talk about serial position effect for a moment. If you remember, short-term memory has a very limited amount of space that we can maintain and hold information. Remember, that was 7 plus or minus 2 pieces of information, so anywhere between 5 and 9 can be in our working memory. And what we found is when we give a list of information, numbers, names, a sentence, etc., we tend to remember the first things in a list and the last things in a list, but when it's too much information, what we forget is the middle. So that's serial position effect. Again, remembering the first and the last, but dropping the middle. So let's go ahead and break that down into two pieces, the first and the last pieces of information. So we have something called the recency effect, and what we All right, so let's go ahead and talk about serial position effect for a minute. If you remember in our three-stage memory process, that middle stage, the working memory or short-term memory, we have limited space there. So it's limited number of things that we can keep in our short-term memory. So remember that was 7 plus or minus 2 or 5 to 9 pieces of information. So research has found that when we're given too much information, what we tend to do is drop some of it. And so when we're looking at the serial position effect, what we found is we remember the first items that were said, we remember the last items that were said, but what we forget is the middle part. All right, so that's the whole serial position effect, remembering the first and the last, but forgetting the middle. So when we're looking at that, let's break it down into two more sections. So that's going to be our recency effect. And what that means is only remembering those last items. Now that kind of makes sense because the most recent thing you heard was the last thing that I said. So recency is the last items. So you have a grocery list and you forget some of it, but what you do remember is the last items that you put on that grocery list. Now, the next one is the primacy effect. This is going to be remembering the first item. So if you think about it, the word primacy makes sense. The primary, like primary school, is the first school that you come up with. Your priority is the first item on the list. So again, serial position includes both of these, but if all I remember is just the last item, that's going to be recency. If all I remember is the first items, that's going to be the primacy effect. So for an example, my daughter used to live in England for several years, and I called over there, and going overseas numbers, those are a long piece of information, a lot of numbers. And so I still to this day, even though it's been 20 years ago, I remember 011-4414-804-200009. So that's a long number that you see here before you. So if I end up looking at the primacy versus recency effect, if what I remember is this 01144, that's going to be the primacy effect versus the 009 maybe is what I remember. That's going to be the recency effect. So again, recency effect is the very last numbers that I remember, but I can't remember the first ones. The primacy effect is going to be remembering only the first items on that list. So hopefully that helps you.